We're on our way home, and I can feel a giant guillotine hanging over our heads. When it drops, it's anyone's guess. Who is this person we're bringing back? Won't say a word. She's got that I know something you don't smirk on her face. I used to think it was cute, amusing. Maybe I should have seen this coming. She was changing, and I wasn't changing with her, but I couldn't tell the difference. I just can't wrap my head around this. The motivation. She was a patriot. Followed in her parents' footsteps. They were both CIA too. They were her inspiration. Believed in the mission. She never let them down. So what am I missing?
سلام وایشت که یکی دیگه چه من که ویدیو هم پارت هشتم بلک اپس 6 طبق معمول بهتر چه که ویدیو شروع کنه. اگر تازه میں ویدیو زندگی میں کانال آشنا بے میں کانال سبسکرائب کریں، ویدیو لائک کریں، کامنٹ بلیں واسطہ ایک پیج ہم تین ہے ہمارا ہاں پیج ہم فالو داشته به ویدیو جای کیر کنه وہ دچه صحیح به در واقع. خب بدات که شما حمله کو ما وایگان نگنی آجنه که گه.
Leave that to me. I've got something tucked away that'll help. I just need some time to prepare. You're okay with this, Marshal? Right?
Get on. The rest of us will start fortifying the house.
چی شد؟
If you got any unfinished business around here, now's the time to take care of it.
گردن مپروشی. خب برین چنه این کلاش باحال ده پورته گیر کته. خب تخت پر بگیم. Where the next mission is? It's over here. Let's go. برو بریم تو کارش.
This won't be an exact science.
Think she'll survive it?
Probably.
ولی من ایرانی هوده چی بیته وود چی بیته که لنگه در رو ویلچره.
Solve is really necessary.
دیگه لنگ نه ایشیه.
I am outnumbered 5.5 to 1.
Just give me a fucking reason.
Enough bullshit. Just tell us what you're doing with that bioweapon.
یک دلیلی من بیار که پرسی
It doesn't have to get ugly.
Well, where's the fun in that?
Jane, please, okay? You're better than this.
Oh, you don't even know if you can do it. We've both made our choices, Troy. I stand by mine. Do you?
I miss the old you. Let's see if she's still in there.
چیه جته جته که نی بازجوی بگی چی شد؟
Jane, you there?
Oh? What is this?
Had the cause of separation. Just relax.
Relax. Try.
What is it? Talk to me.
Very catchy.
Jane.
I don't want to do this. No.
مت کردیم فعلا. خب چیه؟
This is your true self, separated out from the rest. We need your help, Jane.
ضرورت ہے وہ ہم تباہمات تو کہیں بڑا.
There's a bioweapon, and you're planning an attack of some kind. Can you tell me about it?
I can try. But I would
تباہوں میں جانے گے.
like that.
Okay. ہوتی اردی کی نہیں
Where are you right now?
home کجا आहे شما लोग हैं
Be all right.
No.
Something happened here.
In your house? What do you see?
hop senza ninja soggiai orada luku
Jane, sweetie, listen to me.
You're bleeding.
I'll be fine. I had a little accident, that's all. Mommy needs you to stay in your room.
Why do you have a gun?
Jane, just get under your bed and stay there as long as you can, okay?
बच्चे फोन
It's like you're playing hide and seek.
I don't want to.
Jane, please, get under the bed, okay?
उड़
Just get under the
है
bed. I love you.
I love you too.
hop बने से आज
A childhood member. Your mother was in danger?
Yes.
Why do you think you're remembering this now?
I've never stopped remembering this, Troy.
कमांड चीकन हमने चूज़ किया नहीं वापस चीकन
Or was. Or will be. I don't know anymore.
What about the
can't
cradle?
stand here
Does that name mean anything to you?
Maybe. Something to do with my mirror.
Your mirror?
Yes.
मुझे गंदा दो चीकन की अच्छा क्या बोलते हैं केस हैं कौन सी बात है आईने से
Someone that knows is inside. Don't you fucking dare.
Huh?
You don't need to tell them anything. I
हम्म
need to know. Keep your mouth shut.
स्विच मंगवाया
Jane, you alright?
अच्छा
I'm somewhere else.
शटर शॉल
I have to fix the mirror. Put the pieces back together.
हाँ आईने इसी बाद माँ गिरा
Win a shard by searching around.
what
Solve the
click on
clues
the
for numbers
desk?
found.
God,
These 3
please.
numbers you must clean, then put them in the order seen. When I was a girl, my mother loved making scavenger hunts for me.
Where are you now?
ये नज़दीक तेरे मेरा वो
I'm
लेशे
in Verkuda.
Rakuda. You were there recently. That's where you scaled up the bioweapon. Where did it go after that?
Hey, I'm on chicken now.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm on Padigani. She took the road. Wow,
They came for tea and friendly chat. Count the guests and double that.
खबरें क्या लाना तो
Trying to picture you at a tea party.
आज चलो 4:25 नज़दीक तेरे
Though it didn't last. Some people retreat into their imaginations after tragedy. I did the opposite. Count them all and let's begin. Trophies minus badges will get the win. My mother loved the thrill of the hunt. The unlocking of a puzzle.
Apple
आजा
doesn't fall far from
तरकू
the
दें
tree.
तुम अब तो कम
That's why I loved having you by my side all those years.
I miss it too, Troy.
ये जंप पे यार अच्छा शॉट
hard, wanting more, always seek the
مجيات
highest score.
كلازي چنه چوک خوب کجا رہتے
They came for tea and friendly chat. Count the guests and double that.
خودشان چکا هسته دو ساعت دنبال کدی ماردیم داتا من چرا آگیم آئی بچهرشون چکا کد هسته working hard for waiting or always synchronized score ساعت 4شون داره خب شاید منظوری 4 بی 9 5 8 9 گشتره working hard waiting for always 9 شون داره خب سب کن 9 5 9 و 8 خب 5 9 و 8 5 9 8 نیشان باید جاب جا کنه اتوانات یوکی بی هی برزه چرا چیزی نیستم 5 9 8 چیزی نیستم
Working hard, wanting more, always seek the highest score.
No. Halakia.
A shard. 2 more after this one. Progress, Troy.
You got something for me?
Getting closer.
Oh, please.
Here goes.
Jane.
My mother told me to stay under the bed, but I didn't.
Jane, no, go.
Yeah.
Jane.
Car to go, Jane.
Save yourself. Whatever you have to do.
No! Janie. Stay here. No. Look at me. Stay here. Don't make a sound. I'll come for you. Understand?
Yes, but...
Shh. Be brave for me. Be brave.
You never told me this about how they died.
It's not something you needed to know, Troy. I'm somewhere else again. I've been here before. A lab. They're taking something.
Pantheon stole a bioweapon from a U.S. lab. Do you remember?
It's starting to come back to me.
Flashlight, yeah. Oh. Slam zaman aku. तारीख क्या हुआ And the service.
You okay?
Yes. Oh, there's a mirror shard here. Above me.
Find it. We're gonna unblock you. Get those answers.
Are you cooperating with them?
It's iron. Steve.
The lift has no power. Looks like it's connected to several generators.
Charging Roshan. Huh?
You
What
don't
is
owe
it?
them anything. You know that, don't you?
Aja. Tersnak view. Oh, be khayal. तू रूह है तू.
How's it going? You got
Bad.
anything for me?
I was going
It's
to
gonna
cover.
take time, Troy.
والله انت خبر ما يتنا عندك كورة کجا من باید با کی شده اوکی
Another one. This drug they gave us won't last forever. I'll be back.
What was that?
Nothing. We worked so hard for this. You want to just throw it all away?
Ömer çakıcına ver şimdi de अब कुछ है के दें क्या वो दें hop hop hop şey annem geç pushtu ne var Karena kopi? Nope. Hey. Makan ni cuma. Shit. Dinle çok makam. Kedigan dah. Aja. One more. एक kedigan guys. क्या बोलोगे? Sakta क्या हुआ? Oh, ये जनरेटर जनरेट कुछ है? ये शेफ हो? और इधर हो गई Dancer with the hell? ये बड़ा कि मांगेंगे का बात तीड़ देंगे एक भाई वो थे अच्छा दारी दिखे ये ख्याल सकता किल्ला नतीज कार में वो तो बहुत बुरा हो इंगू के हाँ सबका और अरे चाहिए बस
or he's using you.
Yeah. बोलो जल्दी से जाना कुछ वश नहीं.
That's it.
You got to that shark?
Almost there.
Was I ever this foolish? Helping the people that ruined us?
Troy would do the same for me. So would the others.
You really don't remember anything, do you? We've moved on.
خب دومی هم میگه
Leave me
بالاخره.
alone. Another mirror shard. I don't want to go through this again, Troy.
You can do it. Whatever you're experiencing, it seems to be a part of the process.
خب one more piece.
What is this? Who sent you? Wait. Wait!
I would only understand this moment years later.
Nie ma mi pociajne prosto.
Pantheon is here.
Already?
Multiple perimeter breaches to the north.
Shit. We're finally getting somewhere with Jane. She's cooperating. We can't stop now. Woods, I need you to take this over. Get what she knows. We'll take care of the rest.
Send him my regards.
Sev, seal the ops room.
چی شد حمله کنه؟
Listen
درست
up.
اسنایپر
We need to
گم
buy Woods time as much as we can. If he can't get answers out of Harold and all
Hey.
this, everything we've been doing.
بچه زمان بخیر نواتش. بیا
Don't know about the rest of y'all, but I'm not here to die a forgotten footnote in history.
اسنایپر من داده تو تمام دیگه پریشان بودم اسنایپر اوه
All of you. On me.
برو بریم نه
Sev, Adler, Felix,
اسنایپر
take positions. Case, you want to place additional explosives out there past the wall, now's the time. You all in on this, Felix?
Yes, the gloves are off.
I noticed. Case, come on back.
چیه من چسکنه سی فورم
Pantheon approaching.
They pop smoke, get ready.
یک دی دومی هم دی
Charges, Case.
Weapons free. Keep them away from the house. Toss a grenade.
بچه شام بیرونه بریم بیا نزدیک کمر وار کنم تمام انا خراب کتو تیما تمام کجا تو चोरो
This is a fine day to die.
Not us.
Definitely them.
ओ मर छिए जा बेजान देगे सूची जाने मैं John मैं अरे बेमेर
We're clear.
देर खशाब आवाज करेंगे हमें चीज़ ज़्यादा चढ़ दी तो पानी नहीं
She's not responded. Doing what I can.
Keep at it.
To the right of the road.
Snipers up on the reach.
RPG Damn, more the sniper.
APC incoming. Fall back. Take cover on the patio.
Case, pull back.
Case, grab a rocket launcher. Grab a launcher, Case.
Take them down.
Grab launcher कुछ launcher कुछ इसमें हाँ ऐसे launcher टॉप कलाम अरे जिन्ने चौक माना मजा गिर जाता बेमान तो वैसे या
APC down. Wie gefällt dir das?
खाओ खाओ
I hear a helo in the distance.
Wood, she talking?
Think she's coming around.
मत आज़े इष्टे यार कुता hey
Harrow,
I'm here.
stay with me. We gotta keep going.
Yes.
The situation with your parents is fucked. I get it. But I need answers. Now.
I'm trying.
Try harder. Your buddies are knocking on the door.
It's all connected. The murders. The killer.
What about the killer?
वो तो खशन से बात जो ही करेंगे
I grew up wanting to join the CIA.
Like your parents.
You grew up wanting vengeance. I wanted closure. Come on. Langley accepted me. The newspapers, the police, my aunt and uncle, they all had the same story. My parents were killed in a simple home invasion. Happens more often than you'd think. But somehow I always knew they had it wrong. Maybe now, years after starting my career, multiple promotions, maybe now I'd have access to the truth.
And what'd you learn?
No one had information about the murders. So
चाह
over
रहे
the
हैं वहाँ
years,
पे
I
तो
searched every
फुटबॉल
physical
करेंगे
archive I gained clearance to. When eventually I reached the most
जी जा
top
रहे
secret repository, their files were missing.
You think the CIA was hiding something from you?
I can take over now. Of course they were hiding something, Woods. They're always hiding something. And you? You're weak and gullible. Nothing like me. The drug is weakening, Jane. I'll be back in charge before you know it.
Hop, hop, hop.
I need to get to my office.
What's in your office?
Hey! To ruin. Saxtı bu açıdan Mario mu leyvan? Halak diye master vaziyetçiyim. Brother. İçi.
Aren't you clever?
Ley? मैंने लूले अन चेक कर रहा ब्रो मैंने तीर भेजा ना
Not again.
What's going on?
I still have the gun.
बी ख्याल हम बद टाइम ब्रो हम बद come on.
Just give up, Jane.
बाबा बी ख्याल मर्दिगे तो
A grappling hook.
A bigger yaar.
Cut out for this, are you? Still have the grappling hook too.
خوب
Well, look at you. You're gonna have to do better than that, bitch.
तुम बराबर
I
पिकअप पे जा
will
ला
figure out what you're hiding from me, what you're planning.
خوب
So what about your office?
आखिर रहते तू ती ऑफिसर
Imagine giving your life for a cause, only to be completely erased from history afterward. I didn't think I would ever honor
अंदर
that
जाने
memory.
वाले थे
And then, hope arrived. Someone found what I'd been looking for all this time.
Who?
Go ahead. See what's on the disc.
the desk هذا شروع 21 پی یکم ا 86 8 n ششم تیم بعد 86 79 79 48 top secret
The Pantheon. They had copies of my parents' records, entire histories, details of the operation that killed them. It was ordered by the CIA itself.
اوه شفتمات كده خد السياحية جاتلك
Anything else?
Negative. We're done here.
شي صدا بچه عدل دولة خير بخير بيجي
It was Adler.
ها شتا گوشتی عدل
And he
بیشتر
takes you under his wing.
Adler. Bullshit. If it's true, that means your parents were double agents. Or worse.
Never!
چی شد؟ چی شد؟ بینگو چی؟ Şakayı dolu bitti burayı. Evet, hanımade mamur du canibe bitti gan.
Daddy, please wake up. Please. I'm scared.
How could it be Adler? The Pantheon revealed more to me than just the truth about my parents. They revealed how deep the CIA rot goes, murdering their own, their best.
Nime manfi yeşu
Manipulation. You can't believe anything they told you. They knew your weak spot.
Spoken like a true believer. You're nothing without the CIA Woods. Pantheon took me in, showed me their vision for the agency.
What do they fucking want, Harrow?
This is a pivotal moment in history, Woods. The United States is about to become the world's lone superpower. You really think an organization as corrupt, as decadent as the CIA should pull the world strings in a new world order? We'll make sure that doesn't happen. After years of studying their strengths and their flaws from the inside, Pantheon is ready to take the reins once our current leadership is gone. Once they've been discredited and shamed, as they deserve.
You're fucking crazy.
Give Americans a reality check. The CIA can't even keep them safe from the likes of Saddam Hussein and his terrible new weapon.
A false flag attack? They won't buy that bullshit.
What
They'll believe whatever narrative confirms what they want to believe.
Group
That's the easiest part of it all.
How do you know someone else didn't kill your parents?
Var bu
They
cüzdan
could have been the
o.
goddamn Pantheon themselves. You were a kid. Can you really trust your own memories?
Targets eliminated.
It was.
How can you be so sure?
Targets eliminated.
I know it was. It wasn't Adler.
Adlerine bitti bir şey.
You are so confused. You can't run away from yourself. This is who we are.
Shit, your heart rate's through the roof.
Böyle burvani.
Justice will be served, Jane.
Still with me?
मुआवमत करेंगे. lanetçi boğaz ama.
Oh, you're getting weaker. I am the only real person here.
Don't you fucking check out on me, Harrow. Stay with me.
Hop, içine de gengo. Oley! Intariya. Avazi. Gındır nişane. Narınca kat keklazi.
Oh, you're getting weaker. I am the only real person here.
Don't you fucking check out on me, Harrow. Stay with me.
Ay. job.
Damn you! I beat her.
في الآخر سامي تكيكي.
One last shard to place.
Tell me the Pantheon's plan, Harrow. Where did you send the cradle?
I'm close. The mirror's almost complete. You can't undo what's already happened.
Harrow!
No.
You okay?
Don't you understand? You can't beat me. You're a part of me. We are in this together. Till the end.
Harrow! Marshal, we're losing her.
That's not an option.
چه خبره؟ اوه دفعه درگیری هم یا خدا RPG شاتگان نو دیگه چی داریم؟ بمیر RPG چوب RPG اونجا راپ گیر
Movement on the left. Hold your ground.
They're everywhere!
Hey, you and Adler, push to the shed. Get those turrets set up.
یعنی من راه هستی؟
We need our sentry gun.
سنتریگنی شما نیازه جون چکم لنگیه دینا و مطینه چی دامنه دونه اوی کجا جیتی اونو اونو پرکا
I got this one. Kate, get the others. Let's set him up.
mấy cái đâu
We got this.
perfect ما اساسا نگنده که بالاخره دید یه خوب جنبه अच्छा बेटा तीर कोटे था
Mowing them down. Nice work, fellas.
okay
Move. They're blinding the turret. Pull back towards the house. Woods, what's going on? Arrow's out cold. Wake her up.
کجا ای من تیمی کجا من رو راه اوپر کشته و نامرده که واسطه من کشته گیر کن Şaka ya kontraditta.
Quite formidable. Doesn't matter what the dead.
Le kidigedeno bitach. ये बत्तर याद ना नहीं मार दूं घर कचो या ना मेरे सुनो
Sit down.
We did it!
He's off to meet his maker.
Come
Marshal, take their aside. Shit! Everyone into the house.
برياو
Grab the sand feet. Place them on the right. Hey, Toby.
خبرين داخل مات
They're gonna keep coming. We need to cut off road access. I can blow the
Okay,
breach.
there.
A few C4 targets should take it down. Do it. Can't let him get the armor.
يعني जो पैदा कर दिया मुझे अच्छी है वो मैं
Push up. Need to get Phoenix to the bridge.
लाइट भी गया है अगले şey आवाज करना वो स्नाइपर है अंदर बेच करे चलते
Get to the bridge.
नो Demir Oh, şaşlıyor.
Agree to disagree. Wait, it's not clear. No more waiting. Clear out that bridge.
Hadi nereye gitti? Şabi kammel laneti.
Tossing grenade.
Run dige. I'm reloading too. Kapir.
On the bridge. Setting charges.
Bere.
Give him some cover fire, Kate. Guys, get him out of there! I'm hit!
आओ फिलिक्स हेल्प करना बोले एक मिनट जिंदा हेल्प का चीर रेचगा Saturday जला जा
There's no time! We must blow the bridge now!
सही जाने की
We've got incoming armor!
Niente भाई
They'll need balls in that!
Canus, ये तो फिलिक्स
Looks like they've got it too!
ये अंगर हो एक बाजू है
Where is Pantheon releasing the cradle?
I can't remember.
You've got to.
She's... Oh, I'm losing control.
Fight! Gotta hold on just a little longer.
Oh, नहीं कुछ नहीं पता
It's intact. I can see inside.
What's in the mirror?
Avalon.
The attacks in Avalon?
No. Avalon's where they'll take me once I'm free again. We planned it all from there.
We need the cradle.
बहुत पीछे
I'm on
Your
it.
reality's breaking down.
मैं पड़ा हूँ ये चुप्पी जागा सरी हुआ
Can you feel yourself vanishing, Jane? Sooner simply remembering like everything else.
सरी पैदा आ गई
Don't worry, no one's gonna miss you. I'll still be here. My men are so close. He'll be in the ops room any minute now. So resilient.
ये दरवाज़े मार्ग मुक़ावमत करने के नहीं लेकिन
We're
नीचे
gonna get you out of here, Harrow.
And how do you plan
इतलात
to do
लो
that?
बदम
Just hold on. Keep fighting.
निक को जाना भी ख्याल
Hang on, Harrow! We can do this!
चनान मार्ग मुक़ावमत करने के चनान दरवाज़े मुक़ावमत करने के
Oh dear, you're snagged.
वीर कोशी तो आपकी वीर की
Almost there! I'm right here. Focus on me.
या पीर
Okay, I've got you. Now help me.
خیر تو خیره هو punishment.
I what? I see it now. The cradle's in Washington, D.C., the Capitol building. They're just waiting on my word to release it.
Jesus Christ. That's 5,000 miles from here.
It's awful. Everyone within blocks of the Capitol will be infected.
Why?
Because Livingston's head will roll for an intelligence failure of this magnitude. Failure to stop an attack on our capital. An attack using a CIA-funded bioweapon, no less. And someone else will take his place.
You.
Me. The Pantheon will finally control the institution that cast them out. I'm fading, Frank. You have to stop this. Stop me.
We may have one last card to play.
خب یه
Give me something good.
کارتام احتمالا همه دبایه
The Capitol building. They're gonna release it after grabbing Harrow.
Holy shit.
I let Livingston know. Let's see if that asshole finally listens.
Copy that. Woods! Woods!
Go time.
بود که راحت کرده تایشه
Damn it.
بود که
Shit.
I want him alive.
جان سالم بداری بایشن پده تاشه
It's so sad to see you like this, Woods.
خیلی نهارت برنده
You
این
try
طرفی
so
وضعیت
hard.
کنی کس باز تلاش کتا تو
You just don't matter anymore.
Fuck you.
I'll give the order once we're airborne.
اوه بودی کش
Don't worry. Your suffering will be over soon.
Woods needs us. Felix, are you?
I live.
Sam, stay with him. Give us some cover fire. Have the case on me.
بریم
Go, Case. We'll be
بریم
fine.
بریم بریم شب بود کشت
Tossing grenade. Woods, come in.
آی مزخرف خودمون نمیگم بذار میشه اصلا چیست کنم تو این چی تو تو آشنا ایسی چه چطور کن شب کٹه آده نالی میشه نواش نواشه ایران توات بحال داره real.
Gotta find Jane.
Jane, show Jane. She there gece.
Woods.
Can't let her get away.
Just da.
Go. I've got him.
Case, let's go.
Right. Like my Kiran Radwe gaya tha. Yeah. Hop.
Got her in my sights.
Jump. Can't
let it get away. It's up to you. Go. Go.
Kill them. Hadi korkti. Serre slay होने पे थे. यार बिगड़ सवाल है. No man.
Close it up. For God's sake. I shouldn't have protected any of you. I pushed Livingston for your suspension. I wanted you out of the way.
I'm just Calabani. Bro. Like, T-shirt. कुत्ते सबूत कुत्ता कप्ता आपा
No. Look what you've done. I know what you were. The cradle made you this. You owe everything to the Pantheon.
Destroyer. The cradle.
Oof. Yeah.
Again.
Salam.
More.
Oh, please. Oh, she fucking got box.
Finish this.
What's the matter?
We have to get out of this.
T-shirt. It's Bashibi.
Case, he responded. Livingston's cleared out the capital. Everyone's safe. It's over. We did it, Case. We did it.
Tamam iletişimi anjam işte. İki anjamda to.
Thanks for coming.
You getting medals or concrete boots?
Neither. But I can start with an apology.
Damn straight.
I'm not sure how you pulled it off, but it's not lost on me that you prevented one of the greatest catastrophes of our time.
So you want us back?
Something like that. Can we trust one another?
Working on it.
Right now you have something of great value. Anonymity. You're in the shadows.
No shit. We've always been in the shadows.
Not like this. Your reach is greater than it's ever been. We need you, Woods. All of you. I can provide whatever you need. Accommodations, resources, cash, additional manpower. All of it off the books.
I thought the Cold War was over. No more need for, what was it? Global gunslingers.
Yes. The Cold War may be over, but the world is more dangerous than it's ever been. The nature of our enemy is unclear now.
What do you want us to do about it?
What you've always done. Protect us. Harrow may be gone, but not the Pantheon. I need you back in Avalon.
You think you're still a threat?
I do. And worse. Whatever cabal brought Harrow into the Pantheon still lives inside our house. We thought they were long gone. But it turns out, they never left.
क्या पता है تمام می یا هم از پارت آخر موتم تازه متوجه بیده که پارت آخر نیم. خب یه هم از بلک اپس 6 بالاخره کمپین تمام بی ولی خب قسمت مولتی پلیری همچنان پلی بکنه و یه کنه گرگو داره شما هسته. بعد ایشی چه باز دوباره ادامه ما گادافار رहे हैं و یا چند تا دیگه بازی هم آماده کتا دیگه کم کم آماده. خب یه مزه طبق معمول اگر میں ویڈیو تازه گن دیگه میں ویڈیو لائک کنین کانال میں سبسکرائب کنین یوٹیوب ہے گا کامنت پہلے میں واسطہ یک پیجی هم ته اینستاگرام ما را هستیم پیجی هم دنبال کنید ویدیو جدید میں یہ کنید که بودم صحیح ہے فعلا تا بعد